Hello, Cham. This is Megavashni Saravanan making you this video, and I'm really happy to start this session because it's a motivational session. The topic is try to give the best version of yourself. So, let's know how to give the best version of yourself, ourselves. Okay, so the first thing is that try. One could attain anything that they wish only with their try. Without trying we could not achieve, or we could not have a stepping stone to success. So we should have a try. For example, if I should grow my knowledge regarding agriculture, I should do something like reading of books, watching any videos related to agriculture, and I should have a note of all agriculture updates and all modern methods in agriculture. So this is just a try to improvise myself to glorify my knowledge in agriculture. And second thing is that self motivation. One should need self motivation because there may be thousands and thousands to motivate. Actually, motivation is not a motivation, it's just an advice. Advice is that you know the thing already. They just give you at the particular time, at a critic period, they would give you, as how we irrigate the crops at their critical period, how the irrigation at critical period is very, very important. Likewise, we should have self motivation at our critical periods, like the difficult situation. Okay, so at that situation we could not expect anybody, that is our friends or our colleagues or our parents, that is they would not be with us at all time, right? So we should have the motivator with ourselves, that is we should be the best motivator of ourselves. There may be thousands and thousands to motivate a person, but who turns to be your best motivator is that yourself. So try to be the best motivator of yourself. So self motivation is the must. And then reward yourself. Of course, we would have a large smile on our face when we get a reward or award for our doings. So reward yourself. It must, if you are achieving anything, reward yourself with something which you like it. So, with my friends, what I practice is that if they give out a right answer, I reward with them with another question. So, this reward should make you to improve and involve yourself in an activity. So, of course, the reward must be in an optimistic way and not in a pessimistic way. Okay. And next is that just give a handshake of yourself, because you should not always depend on the society to feed you, to applaud you, to motivate you. You are the one who stay with yourself till your death, not even any of your mates like a friends, parents, or colleagues. So they are just a part of your life, but you play the main role of your life. Okay, so just give a handshake to yourself. Last but not the least, have constant smile. Of course, even you are at a difficult situation, a tight corner, just give a smile to yourself in front of your mirror, which gives you a thousands and thousands of energy, joules of energy, because the unit of energy is joule, right? So you should always be tuned and motivated. You need not to depend on others. Other words, to motivate yourself. Even our parents are the best motivators, but at every occasion for simple matters we could not ask their suggestions to all tune ourselves, because at a particular situation they might not help us. That is they would have a mindset that our child should be a matured one, she should have the knowledge, she should have the ability to take the decision to herself, that is she should manage the situation. So giving a constant smile is also a way to manage a situation. So this is the point which I say in this topic. Try to give the best version of yourself. So if you all do all these things, of course you could give the best version of yourself. And all these things which I have learned from my ma'am, and she is a principal of vice principal of my school, and she told all these things to make ourselves motivated and stay tuned. So this I have shared you at this video, and I hope that this video might be useful to yourself. And the five things that I stress again is that first, make a try. Second, have a self motivation. And third, reward yourself. And fourth, give a handshake to yourself. And fifth, have a constant smile. Okay, champs and chums, I hope that all you might have learned something from this video. I want that you need at least a point that you have to grasp from this video, and follow this in your life, and you could surely find any change in your life, and you could always be tuned. Thank you. Bye.